And we're going round and round playing silly games. Now you're saying slow it down, not right now. Big wink at me and walk away. Let it be, let it be, let it be known. Hold on, don't go. Touching and teasing me, telling me no. But this time I need to feel you. Ride it, I don't wanna alone. Ride it, just lose control. Ride it, my soul. Ride it, let me feel you. Ride it, turn the lights down low. Ride it, from head to toe. Ride it, touch my soul. Ride it, let me feel you. Marita was the club on Saturday. You're acting like a diva, saying you don't wanna pay. It's gotta be your feisty style, raise that crowd. I love it when you look at me that way. Now we're in, you order a mojito at the bar. Reapplying it because it came off on the glass. The DJ plays your favorite song, Kanye's on. Now you're beckoning for me to dance. Pulling me close. Close your eyes, close. Telling me we gotta go. Won't you take me home? I wanna ride it, I don't wanna alone. Ride it, just lose control. Ride it, touch my soul. Ride it, baby, let me feel you. Ride it, turn the lights down low. Ride it, from head to toe. Ride it, touch my soul. Ride it, let me feel you. Everything was right until the phone began to ring. She takes it to the corner, that's when I start wondering. I can hear her shouting, banging fist against the door, yelling, yo, it's over, I can't take it anymore. Then I walk away and act all nonchalant and chill.